Yo, what's up YouTube? So today we got a little unboxing action. The guys down at Tomb, Drake cut it out and Sean Cuts Hair hooked me up, so let's go ahead and see what's in it. Alright, see what's in this bad boy. Alright. Alright, so we got power clip for the Evo or the Ergo. Got the Babyliss power clip. The clipper, FX clipper. We do got the shave gel. So this, let's go ahead and open this. This is for, so there's none on the top. This will sit on your stand and you'll always have some. Got the charging pad, another charging pad. The magnetic mat. If you didn't see my station tour, this is what we have now. And then let's go ahead and set up the other stuff. Alright, here's the new one. Now the only thing I need is a power clip for this. Looks like I'm gonna have to buy another clipper. Alright guys, that'll be it for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.